Hello, my name is Carla Caceres, and this is my project about how to make a barometer. A barometer measures changes in air pressure to help forecast the weather. This is what you will need to make a barometer. You need an empty glass jar, some tape, plastic, a rubber band, a straw, and something to measure the pressure with. This is what my barometer looks like once I put it together. So the first day the temperature outside was 75 degrees and my device only measured around 68, so it was a little off. At the second day, temperature outside was 88 and my device measured 70, so it was also a little off. But day three, the temperature outside was 68 and my barometer read about 65 or so, so it was a little more accurate. And day four, it was a little better. My device measured a little over 60 and the temperature outside was 63. So it got a little better as the days went by. These are the credits for my project. I hope you enjoyed it.